me, Midnight Trinity. If you're new to my channel, hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my favorite makeup subscription. It's called Slay Glam box. First thing out of the bag is this Bella Pierre face cosmetics. It's got finishing powder, a duo contour and highlight stick, a setting spray, and a sponge. I always need sponges. I go through them like crazy. Second thing here is out of the bag is they replaced my lip gloss from last month. They got the color wrong, but it wasn't their fault. They're a starting up company. Next thing is a liquid eyeshadow from Medusa's Makeup. In the color Ginger. It's this really pretty silver color. I'm sure you could build it up to make it look really nice. Next thing is I can open it. Is 3 eyeliners in these 3 colors. I'm going to swatch them on my hands. There they all are. The gold one is called Golden Nugget. That's what it looks like. The next one is Electric Sky, and that one's right in the middle. And the next one is Dark Green. It's kind of like a forest green, and that's right there. Next thing is from Dripping Diamonds, and this is a lip gloss, and it's really pretty, the packaging and everything. Since I'm not wearing any lipstick, I will put this on. It's super pigmented, and as you can see, on someone as pale as me, it is very dark. And it's in the color Garnet. And the last thing that is in this box is an eyeshadow palette, and that is the case. See if I can open this without tearing it. And it is from Oakland. I think I'm saying that right, but I'm known for saying things wrong, so. And here are the shades, and I will swatch those. Those are the first 3 shades. The first one is more of a shimmer shade. The other ones are matte. Here's the next 3 shades. They're very pretty and very buildable, and they go on super smooth. And here's the next 3 shades. I really like this one. It's almost like a copper color. Overall, I really like this box. I got this a while ago, but haven't gotten to get to it. This is the card that came with the box. And the prices of everything are: the 3-piece eyeliner set was $6. The Bella Pierre Slay Kit was $55. The lip gloss was $19. The Medusa's Makeup Eyeshadow, Liquid Eyeshadow was $13. And the Oakland Cosmetics was $10. Overall, I think this was a really great box. I've gotten many in the past, and I've loved every single one of them, and every time something has been broken or wrong, she's either given me a refund or a new box. And if you're looking for a cheap but all makeup subscription box, I think you should go with this. Anyway, bye lovelies.